was your best friend, and now I'm just losing all of my senses.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how I did this Faux locks using crochet braids. So I've already done a few sections, and I'm going to use the Shine Jam braiding gel. It's kind of like a little bit of gel just to put a bit of hold on the hair, and then just kind of like braid it up to a certain point, and then literally just continue braiding. You can do this on pre-stretch hair, then you attach the crochet, literally the top part where it has the hole, just attached to one strand of the braids, one strand of your hair, sorry, and then continue braiding the hair. And basically that's just what I did. So you just continue braiding it until basically you do not see the end of your hair, so the end of your actual hair, you don't see it. Then after that, you then get the crochet hook, then you put that to the roots of your hair. Obviously before that you need to get like a loose one of the loose crochet hair or any spring twist that is around the same color of the crochet hair, and literally just attach it to the hair. I actually split the crochet hair into two. That's how I made this loose hair. Basically it's the same hair, but I just cut it into two, and then aligned it to the part where my hair ends. So my hair, this is actually not pre-stretch hair. My natural hair is not pre-stretch. It's actually just blow dried a little bit. And yeah, you just basically roll it round and round, just covering the hair until basically you don't see anything, until basically the crochet hair is finished. So you just continue doing that. You need to make sure that your hair is not showing and is covered. So that's the whole point. And then yeah, you just continue until basically the crochet hair is finished, and that's about it. But yeah, it's very, very simple. This hair literally took me like I think 2 days, but with a bit of break, because as a mother, it's not easy. If you want to secure it, you can use the jam at the ends just so that it doesn't unravel. And basically that's how I did it. And yeah, it's just fairly simple, guys. It's not really that bad. And if you feel like it's not covered, you can just get another section and just wrap it around, or just any spring twist or any loose hair around until the hair is fully covered. And basically that's it. It's very simple, guys. Really, really simple. So complicated. Once that's done, then you can just put a bit of the jam and just roll it around your hands and on the hair, and that just makes it smooth and doesn't unravel. And that's basically how I did it. It's just the same, guys. It's all done. I'm really, really proud of myself. Like in London, it would have took probably like two hairdressers to do this, and I literally did this myself. And they said it was going to cost around 170 to 200 pounds, because it's a long job, and it is a long job. 2 days, guys, 2 days. And I think each day with a bit of break, I think I probably spent like 4 hours per day, so probably 8 hours altogether. It wasn't that long, guys. It's just fairly simple. But yes, you don't need, I think the color for this year was color 4, and yeah, it was just a normal crochet hair that I got from the shop, and I actually used up to 4 packs, I believe. 4 packs, including the ones that I cut. Altogether it was about 4.5 packs. It wasn't that much, but yeah, they weren't that expensive. I think it was around $5.99 per pack, and it was about 20 to 24, I believe, crochet hair in each pack. So it's not really that bad. And yeah, I would definitely do this style again, but maybe everyone will need to get out of the house for me to do this. But yes, I thoroughly enjoyed doing this, and it was really fun. It's been a long time that I've actually braided my hair or did a protective style by myself. I can actually, if you check my YouTube channel, go all the way back to like 2016. I've been doing my hair since I was 9. So yeah, it's been a busy life. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling, but this is basically how I did it. So yes. Hey guys, so I've now finished braiding, I'll call it braiding my hair. So I'm just going to do like a sort of updo just to pack it up a little bit. You can just use a shoelace tie, but before that we'll be using a mousse just to lay down any frizziness or any layaways or any loose hair that I just want to make it look more neater. So yes, you can use the ORS mousse, or you can use the Locs body hair mousse as well on the hair. I'm sure when you go to the salon to braid your hair, you see the hairdressers use this, but it really does wonders, guys. Like, I recommend whenever you braid your hair yourself, or if you have wigs and you want to brush the hair or whatever, you want to make it look neater and refreshed, you should always use a mousse. I always make sure that I have a mousse in my house, because it does wonders to your wigs, to your hair. It's a recommendation, guys. So I'm just doing a sort of updo, either a bun, but I'm just trying to pack it up. And just to let you guys know, this hair wasn't heavy at all. In fact, it was very lightweight. And I don't know how I came up with the idea of crocheting the hair this way. I watched a lot of YouTube videos, and I wanted to choose a simpler way of crocheting my hair. And yeah, I basically watched several videos before I decided, and just I had an idea. I even asked my mom as well, and she was like, yeah, it's better to do it the other way. But then I was like, nah, that way is too long. So I did it this way, and I'm so proud of myself. And this hair lasted me for 2 months. 2 months, guys. 2 months. I continued to make sure that my hair was moisturized. I continued using the mousse. I used the Miel biotin oil for my scalp and everything. And yeah, it looked amazing. Everyone was so surprised I did it myself. But yes, I would definitely do this hairstyle again, but with a different hair color. But this is more natural and everything, and it basically looks like you have locks, but it's not really your natural locks. It's just Faux locks. But yeah, I'm just tying the hair now, and yeah, just styling it up a little bit. I like the way it looks. I just love protective styles, guys. Like, I just like experimenting, especially when you have time on your hands. To be honest, I didn't have time on my hands. I just didn't want to go to the hairdressers and pay nearly £200. But yeah, I'm basically styling this a different way just to show you guys, how you can style it. You know the deal in terms of protective styles. But yes, I like doing this type of updo. And yeah, I just look so beautiful. I look like a goddess. You can style this with a scarf, like an head wrap. you know, with different things. You know, it looks very elegant. I just love it. I absolutely love it, and you guys can see that I did really well. Like, I'm so proud of myself. But yeah, that's it, guys. I'm just gonna let you guys just continue watching, and yeah, thank you for watching. Follow me on my socials. See you next time. Bye.